hope my neck and my face and my neck is same. Call the camera and change. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to do what I have not done for the past 4 years. Yes, I have had makeup on my face this year, but I have not done my makeup myself for the past 4 years. I used to be a makeup freak. I've actually made people up in the past, but then all of a sudden, maybe motherhood, family, let me just say motherhood, let me not blame anybody. I just have this no time for makeup anymore, okay, because I feel that I can just take my shower and then head out. There's no need for makeup. So this is just a requested video and I'm going to try it. I think it's going to be a funny video because what you've not done for the past 4 years, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but whichever way, just to watch and have fun. Okay, so let's just jump right into this video. I don't want it to be too long. So this is my natural hair, guys. It's looking all old. I know it's old, so I'll try and pack it up. Okay, let me have everything together so that we can get right into this video. Okay. Okay, I had everything packed, and then I'm going to put down these clothes, guys. Of course, you know we need our neck. All right, so I just moisturized my face, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all try to wipe my face using this Asmeri, like one, and try to wipe out my face. Okay, I use face primer. I love this product for my face primer. This is a milk of magnesia liquid, Philips by Philips. But then because I'm not going out, guys, this is just for the video. I don't know the story that I'll be telling you guys, so that this video will not be boring. Which story do you guys want to hear so that we can share something? So okay, let me tell you guys how I was able to win my daughter, who has been aggressively sucking. Brush this, guys. My eyebrows are full, but because I don't really do makeup, I don't want to trim it. Let me leave it this way, okay? So these are my brushes. I pick them from here. So let me just line it anyhow it turns. Okay, I just hope we do good today. So I'll first of all line my eye. You guys can see what I'm doing. I love thick eyebrows though, so don't blame me. So, you know, my mom, most times she'll tell me, when Cora clocked a year, I did exclusively breastfeeding for her for 6 months, and without water, without fruits. And then this one is finished. Let me get another one. And then, you know, I thought like I would just stop her from breastfeeding once she clocks, let me say 11 months, because guys, I was literally adding lots of weight, so I could not even wait to stop her from sucking. Okay, because my son was able to stop by himself when he was 11 months. I thought Cora would do the same, but then I noticed that Cora loves to suck a lot, so I know it's going to be a problem trying to make her stop. You know, once it gets to 11 months. So, you know, she kept sucking, and I was like, let me still give her some more. You know, she was so addicted to it, and then when she clocked 1 year, madam did not even act like she has stopped for long. She kept on sucking, like sucking. At a point, I was tired. My mom kept on shouting, like, stop her from sucking, stop her from sucking. If I call my mom on the phone, she told me to put it on last week, and she would tell me, Cora, stop sucking breast, you're sucking too much. She kept on sucking. So yeah, my eyebrows, I was able to fill it up. So let me get my, I don't know what. So guys, I'll be using this concealer for my under eye, and then I'll use this for my up eye. Okay, yes, I've actually watched I think Ada Unleashed, she did this challenge, I think 5 minutes makeup challenge, and then Divine Okonkwo did hers without mirror. Guys, I can't, not for now, because I'm using my concealer brush. Okay. Let me do the other eye. So I'm done. I have this, my blending brush, so I'll just go ahead and, you know, blend it. Same color for up. But let me just use both colors, okay? Like I said, I'm not going out. This is just me trying makeup on after 4 years. So yeah, it is what it is. So then I'll go ahead and clean the hash lines on top so that it will look good, okay? So for the foundation, I'll be using Mary Kay, and then this True Self foundation. Okay, this Mary Kay is actually light. I think it's 507. 507. This is fair for fair people, and then this one is dark. So I usually blend them together to get my skin tone. I'll just randomly mix it on my palm, and people have things that they mix their foundation with. But then, yeah, look, guys, I've actually darkened it a lot. Like I'm now an OG. I'm so dark now. Pregnancy pigmentation. Why can't I appear? I hope this is not going to be much. So let me just blend. I'll just be using this brush. This brush does the magic, so it's cool. So I'll go ahead and blend. I kept on sucking and I didn't know what to do. Everybody was like, stop this girl from sucking, she's sucking too much. And I was adding a lot of weight. I needed to do something, and then it made probably come down, you know, at least shed some weight. It was really very serious. Plucked it though. Someone plucked it totally for me, and I used it. Cora did not even act like my hand on the pain. Hey, when I did try you. I gave her, she did. Then the first time I said, hey, I don't enter one chance though. But did not stop it though. So yeah, it's out. I hope you guys can see. So I'll just okay. I don't want it to be too much, guys. I told you after this I'll just head over straight to the bathroom and wash these things off. So oh my god. So guys, it's time to blend. It's okay. So I have this my contouring brush, and I have my contour kit with me. It's here. So I'll go ahead and okay. Okay, I'll just give my water. Okay, how not sir, I will rock her, move around the room, but I never tried to give her tea. The pains, guys, the pains. I have my blending brush. I want to like define my under eye the more. Okay, I'm using this product for setting to set my under eye because I don't have setting powder. Okay. Are we baking rice? Are we baking cake? I say rice. Do we bake rice? Some people bake rice now. I'll put it here so it will bake. Okay. Eyeshadow from here, but I don't think this is gonna work because no. Let me use this one instead. I'll be using this particular one. I love these ones because they have shimmers. So I'll go on with this. Okay. So I'll be using these two colors. This one, and then maybe this one. Then I'll add black eyeshadow. Yeah. You guys see? So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Normally, I usually love to have my eyeshadow base. I just put the plain color before I add my shadows. But like I said, I'm not going out today. As a matter of fact, my baby girl, she's even at home. She's in the parlor. Dark one from here to define it. Black eyeshadow. I just hope it shows. Ooh, gorgeous. So I want to blend the two colors so that you guys won't see any harsh line in between. Okay, and that's what I'm trying to do. Blend. I have my eyelashes done, my eyebrows done. So I have my eyeliner. I'll go ahead and line my eye. Make it work. Let me try and line it with eyeshadow. Be able to do something. Not much, but be able to do something. So for my under eye, I love this product for my under eye. Okay. At times I use black. I love black too, but for today I'm gonna use this color. Top it up with this. Don't worry, my next tutorial class, guys, I'm going to contour my topping it up with this too. Okay, so that is my lip color. We have to just buff it out and end this video. Okay, end this video. All right. So this is me officially buffing it out. This is Milani, sorry, not Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and put my loose powder, which at this point I don't even think it's necessary, but just so let's get it. Get it, don't get it, forget about it. This is how some people used to keep their face with their makeup. Setting spray. But your baby girl not get setting spray. Hey, I hope my neck and my face and my neck is the same color. Call the guy who are not chacha. A full frontal. I'll just go ahead and put it on and put it by the side. Let's do by the side. Okay, earrings on. I'll go ahead and put in my earrings. Even though this week never set like that. Dangerous woman. Look like a dangerous woman. You guys can feel the glow. Oh, I forgot to even put bronzer. Oh, cut and join. Where's my bronzer? Look at this video. I'll go ahead and put the bronzer on my neck. My neck. Oh, you guys say? Can you say? Oh, it's much, but I usually love to put it on my neck bone. Guys, see, I'm losing weight already. You can see? So I love to put it here, shade on my neck bone, and I'm gonna blend it, blend. It's sticky, it takes time to blend, but you will love the outcome when you're done blending. Blend. You know, we're rushing this so we can end this video. So let me quickly tell you guys. So when I stopped breastfeeding Cora, I took it by force. That was how I stopped, guys. She kept on crying and all that. Then I battled with pain, fever, because the pain was much. It was really very, very much. Okay, so I battled with pain, fever, and the rest of them. Finally it stopped. But what I'm advising you to do is, if you're trying to stop your baby, please don't express the milk out. Just leave it to dry and the pain will reduce. Okay, don't bother to press it out. I just left it, and then my breast was so engorged, my both breasts. I had fever, just paracetamol, nothing much. I managed, and lo and behold, it stopped after a while, and I had my peace. Cut down my appetite so that I don't get to eat too much these days. That's how I'm trying to do it, guys. This is taking like forever. So tell me congratulations in the comment section if you've watched up until now. Let me know what you think about my makeup. Just regular makeup. I didn't want to do something big, but guys, I think I love it. I think I did great. My brows, good, not very good, but because I didn't shave, okay, this is what I could get. Then my eyelashes, are you guys feeling my lashes? For me, because I have the silver stuff going up there, silver, gold, black, I would have loved to use black. I don't have mascara. I would have loved to define my lashes some more. Then maybe so I'll be getting mascara, I'll be getting black under eyeliner. I'll be getting my spray setting powder, even though this white one did great. Some people set with white powder, it's still the same thing, same cost. There's no money. There's no money in the country, because. And then I love setting spray. I'll get setting spray. So I didn't even know this makeup was going to turn out this way. I would have filmed my next video with it, but I didn't know it was going to turn out this way. So can you guys see that my neck is popping? It brings me to the end of this video. Let me drop bottle. So let me know what you think about my makeup once more. Do you like it? Did I do great? Please, my name is Uju. You are highly welcome to Ujulinn Space. Smash that subscribe button if this is your first time, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for supporting me as always. So does it mean I'm just gonna watch this off like right now?
A few moments later. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.